We haven't even made it to the bikes yet. We already had issues, didn't we, Eddie?
Wrong plane.
You bought the ticket for the wrong plane and wrong day. Thanks, Nate, for not coming. So
shout out to that Delta worker.
Yeah, shout out to Delta working the magic for us so we can make it to Alaska.
Yeah.
So
find out in about 20 minutes here how long.
See if he makes it on the flight, and then we got figured out from Seattle. So we got John with us finally up in Seattle.
The gang is 3/4 assembled.
Yeah, 3/4. Chris will be here soon. A couple days. Just got to get to Alaska now. Alaska.
2 hours.
2-3 hours, whatever it is. It's been a year. Let's see how these bad boys look.
Hopefully they're still in there.
Yeah, it's here too.
Oh, I got nervous. Like
they're still here. Woo! They're on the rip because it teeters inside. You see this? First one out. You see, does she fire? Dead as shit, huh? Dead as shit. Got all the bikes out. Start a long day of work on them. Pretty black though. No way, bike floats are dumping gas. Eddie, what you painting?
Picasso's about to paint a manifold.
You mean you only got one shot, not two?
Yeah, so instead of buying gaskets to solve the leak and take the whole carbs and everything off and all the other work that goes with everything and resyncing the carbs and doing everything, we're just gonna JB weld the leak. And you want that carb cleaner?
Don't blow it up.
Every bike. Oh, Chris is the last one to get going. Sounds like some fog.
Or something.
Yeah. Sorry, Chris. It sounds like your bike's shit. Bike number 4. He's pissing coolant so bad. No. Cheers, guys. 2-0. Cheers.
We got the John Deere fired up.
You got the John Deere fired up?
Yeah. Still sounded like a tractor a year later. So.
Dude, that's what I'm
So basically, like your bike runs really good. Other than on the right side you're leaking antifreeze, and on the left side you're leaking gas.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, so it's a little bit of a pickle. So which problem do you want to fix? Because we can only fix one.
Wait, what? How? I guess you fucking with me. Is there really that much, buddy?
No, but your bike really is fucked up though.
Yeah. We did get it running though.
It runs really good though.
Still sounds like a tractor, but it is leaking gas and coolant.
Like a motherfucker.
You guys fixing yours?
Yeah.
Hey, what's your favorite color?
Just what's your favorite color? Because the part we can do with the carb can come in any color you want.
We're gonna fix your bike, but I get to paint it whatever color I want.
You can't do it. We're thinking a hot pink or a nice purple.
Fuck you guys.
Fucking lavender. I think a lavender.
Lavender would be perfect.
How do you feel about banana yellow?
So this is turning into the adventure trip that thought I was gonna have on the way up here, where we're gonna have bike problems the whole way and everything was gonna be wrong and someone was gonna get stranded, and I'm not feeling too confident on this one that everyone's gonna make it now. Yeah, we got all the bikes started up for a little bit, but me and Eddie went to take off on 2 of them to go get stuff to finish the final fixes and leaks on the other one. And then, yeah, so the 2 we thought were going to be reliable right now, one of them broke down 2 blocks away. As you can see, we have the wild John, his natural habitat. Just look at him.
That was fast.
No,
We have already make it.
2 blocks?
What happened?
Bike's not working.
Which one?
Yours?
Fuck.
So, update. Pretty low on beer, but we did just get food. And the bikes still suck. So,
Somebody already
not much. What's that? Is that a special Honda tool, Eddie?
Yeah, this is an 81 Goldwing manifold removal tool. Freshly sharpened. Nah, dude, I don't know this time.
And crack.
There we go. Luckily, Chris Dennis bought extra parts. There's a culprit of our problem right here. Right there. That's the pipe.
About to have John's first time riding his bike. First time on his bike. We got it going?
Had my license less than a week.
A little bit of a dumb fix for this thing, but hopefully it works. My fuel, the JB Weld did not hold, so we are gonna have to do like a full fucking car rebuild bullshit with no parts to fix it with.
Weld failed me, I feel betrayed.
Yeah, I know, right?
How dare that?
But,
Fox
yeah.
fuck you up.
I mean, it runs, it just leaks a fuck ton of gas, so I leak about twice as much as the engine uses. But the thing is, all the bikes run and operate. It's just there's some leaks and some hiccups, but we're getting there. We're getting there. It's the first day. It's the first day.